Hey, my awesome students! Are you ready for another adventure? I'm pretty sure you all know what I'm gonna learn today. Right, we're gonna continue to learn numbers. In previous chapter, we learned Sino-Korean numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this time, we're gonna learn native Korean numbers and how to order in Korean. But before we go into grammar, we're gonna do words and expression part. Bibimbap. Bibimbap. Do you know this food? Yes, it's mixed veggie rice bowl. And we put a lot of vegetables in it, like carrots, cucumbers, spinach, eggplants, mushroom, and so on. Actually, you can just put anything, any vegetables in it. Also, you can put eggs, fried eggs, sunny side up, or meat. It could be pork or beef. And most importantly, you have to put sesame oil and Korean spicy sauce called bibimbap. And in my opinion, these two are what makes it bibimbap. It's really, really important. 만두, 만두, dumpling, 콜라, 콜라, Coke. I heard it is from Coca-Cola. 게, 게. It's counterfeit things. You always have to use it with native Korean numbers. If you just say 게, it means a dog. 병, 병. It literally means a bottle, but you can use it as a counter for counting any type of bottles when you use it together with native Korean numbers. 권, 권. It is counter for books or any thick document. 마실 것, 마실 것. Something to drink. And if you want to say beverage, you can say 음료, 음료. 문구점 사장, 문구점 사장. Stationery store owner. 문구점 means stationery store and you can easily find it near any school in Korea. And 사장 means the owner of the store. 랑, 이랑, and. If the last letter of the noun has 받침, you say 이랑. For example, 수현이랑 크리스티나, 연필이랑 필통. However, if the last letter of the noun doesn't have 받침, you say 랑. For example, 언니랑 오빠, 후지모리랑 크리스티나. 여기요, 여기요. Here you are. You use it when you give something to others. But with higher intonation, it can mean hey, like 여기요, 여기요. You can use it to catch other person's attention, like 여기요, 여기요, 여기요. Alright, time for grammar. The sentence structure that we're gonna learn today is actually quite easy. But memorizing the numbers and understanding different number systems, it is gonna take your time. But as I always say, you can do it! Let's go! We're gonna learn a really easy expression that you can easily use whenever you wanna order something. It is 주세요, 주세요. You just have to put what you want right before it. For example, 당근 주세요, give me carrots. 책 주세요, give me book. 비빔밥 주세요, give me bibimbap. 아이스크림 주세요, give me ice cream. 공책 주세요, give me notebook. It's super simple, right? Open page 60 and build a sentence with it right away. Right away, stop the video, right away. Are you done? Answer time. Please give me a pencil. Pencil is 연필. So, 연필 주세요. 연필 주세요. Please give me orange juice. Orange juice is 오렌지 주스. So you say 오렌지 주스 주세요. 오렌지 주스 주세요. Please give me a cake. Cake is cake. So you say 케이크 주세요. 케이크 주세요. Next, please give me coffee. 커피 주세요. 커피 주세요. I think it was pretty simple, but next topic will be a little bit more difficult. Are you ready for the challenge? Challenge accepted? Let's go! What I'm gonna learn now is native Korean numbers. I'm pretty sure you already heard of it before in Korean dramas or Korean music. And it is also called as pure Korean numbers, and it is used for age, hour, people, things, and animals. It goes like 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Then you just mix them like 열하나, 열둘, 열셋, 열넷, 열다섯. It goes like that. But from 20, you call it differently. 스물, 서른, 마흔, 쉰, 예순, 일흔, 여든, 아흔, 백. And it also goes like 스물하나, 스물둘, 스물셋 like this. Stop the video for a while and try to memorize the numbers before we proceed. If you're ready, do page 61. Let's check the answers. Choose a proper word for each number. Number 1, 하나. Next is 다섯. Next is 일곱. Next is 아홉, 열, 스물. Native Korean numbers are usually used together with counters, and this is really important. When you use 1, 2, 3, 4, and 20 with counters, it changes like this. 한, 두, 세, 네, 스무. It's a slight change. Try to consider them as an adjective format of numbers. And only these 5 numbers are changing. The other numbers, they all stay the same. Okay, I think you're ready. Let's learn counters. 개. It's a counter for objects and things. You can use it like 사과 1개, 오렌지 2개, 딸기 3개, 지우개 4개, 휴대폰 5개. Cool? Try to refer to the chart at page 58. It's gonna be easier to understand with this. It goes like 1개, 2개, 3개, 4개, 5개, 6개, 7개, 8개, 9개, 10개, and for 20, 20개. For counting bottles, we use 병. Like 물 6병, 6 bottles of water. 주스 7병, 7 bottles of juice. And it also goes like 1병, 2병, 3병, 4병, 5병, 6병, 7병, 8병, 9병, 10병. For 20, 20병, 30, 30병. It goes like that. 권. It's for books. For example, 책 8권, 8 books, 사전 9권, 9 dictionaries, 공책 10권, 10 notebooks. 1권, 2권, 3권, 4권. You do it yourself. 시 is a counter to tell the hour. 1시, 1 o'clock, 2시, 2 o'clock. It goes like 1시, 2시, 3시, 4시, 5시. Keep going. 명 is for counting people. 사람 3명, 3 people. 친구 4명, 4 friends. 선생님 5명, 5 teachers. 1명, 2명, 3명, 4명, 5명, 6명, 7명, 8명, 9명, 10명, 11명. Keep going. 마리. Counter for animals. 강아지 1마리, 1 puppy. 고양이 2마리, 2 cats. 소 3마리, 3 cows. And you know what? In Korea, when you can't sleep, you try to count sheep. Sheep in Korean is 양. So you say like 양 1마리, 양 2마리, 양 3마리, 양 4마리, 양 5마리. 살. Counter for age. 1살, 2살, 3살, 4살. And how old are you? Me? 저는 25살이에요. 장. Counter for pieces and slices and paper. For example, 종이 1장, 1 piece of paper. 치즈 2장, 2 slices of cheese. And 표 3장, 3 tickets, 3 pieces of ticket. And when you want to ask how many, you just have to put 몇 before the counter. 몇 개, how many things. 몇 병, how many bottles. 몇 권, how many books. 몇 시, what time. 몇 명, how many people. 몇 마리, how many animals. 몇 살, how old, what age. And 몇 장, how many pieces, how many papers. Alright, we learned mostly used counters in Korea. And try to take your time to memorize and understand the counters and its system. If you are ready, do page 62. Ready? Go! 사과 몇 개 있어요? 사과 3개 있어요. There are 3 apples. 고양이 몇 마리 있어요? There are 2 cats. 고양이 2마리 있어요. 콜라 몇 병 있어요? Look at the picture. How many? Yeah, there are 6. 콜라 6병 있어요. 노트 몇 권 있어요? 노트 4권 있어요. 학생 몇 명 있어요? There are 7 students. 학생 7명 있어요. Okay, you successfully finished the most notorious part in learning Korean. Yeah, I know. If you are not genius, even if you are genius, you can't get them all perfectly yet, right? Please try to repeat and practice as many times as possible and keep repeat this video until you get it. Until you really get it. Homework keys. Number 1, do the mini test at page 63. Number 2, write native Korean numbers from 1 to 100, all numbers in between. 3, make 30 examples using the counters that we learned today. We learned 8 counters today, so you have to make 5 examples for each counter. Number 4, summarize the difference between Sino-Korean numbers that we learned in chapter 6 and native Korean numbers that we learned today. You can write it in English. Please leave your homework at the comment section so that I can check. Study hard and don't forget to click like and subscription, and also try to check suandcarrots.com to get this book and a lot of other products that we have like flashcards and beauty box, carrot box, snack box. We got a lot of new items and books. Please go check. Bye guys, I love you. Thank you for taking the class all the time. I love you so